Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. You can just search for that on Amazon, or there's a link down in the description. If you make a purchase, I do make a small commission. All right, so it looks like today we're doing number 261. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 9, 7 and 9 here. So that makes this our 3, 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. A 1 here, so 9, 1. To finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this top row, looks like we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 has to be here. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. We've got a 7 there, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 there, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 1, 7. And no help here, so 1, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 1, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9. 8 and 9 here, so that makes this our 5, 9, 8. For this column now, let's see, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 7, 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. And for this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 9 makes this our 7. And so to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.